Garlic is another ingredient that is commonly and incorrectly stored in the refrigerator. Even though cold, humid conditions can seriously compromise its quality, flavor, and shelf stability. Whole garlic bulbs are naturally designed to remain dormant in dry, dark, well-ventilated environments. When garlic is placed in the fridge, the low temperature combined with moisture disrupts this dormancy and creates physiological stress. One of the earliest and most frequent warning signs is premature sprouting. Cold storage signals to the garlic clove that it is time to grow, activating enzymes that push a green shoot through the center of the clove. While sprouted garlic is not inherently toxic, it is far inferior in taste and texture, and its rapid sprouting significantly shortens its usable life. Flavor degradation is one of the most noticeable negative effects of refrigerating garlic. Garlic's pungency and depth come from sulfur compounds that remain stable when the bulb is stored correctly. In cold storage, moisture penetrates the papery skin and alters these compounds, leading to a sharper, harsher, and sometimes bitter flavor. Sprouted garlic in particular develops a pronounced bitterness, especially in the green shoot, which can overwhelm dishes rather than enhance them. This makes refrigerated garlic unreliable in cooking, where precise flavor balance is important, and often forces people to discard cloves or trim away large portions, increasing waste. Texture changes also occur when garlic is stored in the refrigerator. Excess moisture softens the cloves, causing them to lose their firm, crisp structure. Over time, cloves may become rubbery, spongy, or slightly slimy, clear indicators of declining quality. This textural breakdown affects how garlic cooks. Instead of sautéing cleanly and releasing a balanced aroma, soft garlic tends to burn unevenly or release excess moisture, interfering with browning and flavor development. Once these changes begin, they cannot be reversed by bringing the garlic back to room temperature. Refrigeration also increases the risk of mold and hidden spoilage. Garlic bulbs stored in the fridge are more likely to develop mold between cloves or at the base of the bulb, often without obvious external signs. By the time mold is detected, the entire bulb usually needs to be discarded. Because garlic is used in small amounts, people often keep it for long periods, and refrigeration creates a false sense of preservation that allows spoilage to progress unnoticed. This leads to unexpected waste at the point of use rather than gradual, visible aging. Another important concern is condensation. When garlic is removed from the refrigerator and exposed to warmer air, moisture can condense on the cloves and inside the bulb. This sudden moisture exposure accelerates microbial growth and sprouting, further degrading quality. Garlic stored this way often deteriorates rapidly within days, even if it seemed stable in the fridge. This temperature fluctuation makes refrigeration one of the least stable storage methods for whole garlic. From a nutritional standpoint, refrigeration does not immediately destroy garlic's beneficial compounds, but sprouting and spoilage reduce the consistency and reliability of those benefits. Garlic is valued for its bioactive sulfur compounds, and when flavor becomes harsh or bitter, people tend to use less of it or avoid it altogether. In some cases, degraded garlic can cause digestive discomfort due to intensified bitterness and altered sulfur content. The appropriate way to store whole garlic is in a dry, dark, and well-ventilated area, such as a mesh bag, basket, or open container in a pantry. Airflow is essential to prevent moisture buildup and mold. Garlic should be kept away from direct sunlight and from high-moisture foods. Refrigeration should only be used for peeled or chopped garlic, and even then, it should be stored carefully and used quickly to avoid flavor loss and safety concerns. Overall, storing whole garlic in the fridge introduces unnecessary moisture, encourages sprouting, weakens flavor quality, and increases the risk of spoilage, making it a poor choice for preserving this essential kitchen staple.